If you're looking for easy to make weight loss shakes that are easy to go, great for weight loss, and packed with a lot of energy and keeps you full for a very long time, well, this video is that video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy to make to go weight loss shakes. And yes, they're absolutely delicious and very easy to make. But before we get into it, I want to talk about today's sponsor. I welcome you guys the Cocinera blender. And honestly, this blender came right on time because it was something that I was looking for. It's a bottle blender where you can attach the blender blades to it, and then once you finish blending, you can easily remove the blender blade and put on a bottle cap. That's very easy to drink, and honestly, it feels pretty darn good. And to be honest with you guys, I've been using this blender for some time now, and sheesh, it's absolutely convenient. You literally just blend it and then you just take it to go. No mess, no cleanup, and you just take it to go. It's honestly very convenient. But my favorite part of this Cocinera blender is when you actually blend it. The blender machine is absolutely strong, and it can crush anything, man. You'll see in a bit. We do use this blender bottle in this video making these weight loss shakes, and you'll see exactly how it works. And if you guys do get interested in it, you guys can use the code here, NatureBoy, to get 15% off. I mean, that's pretty darn awesome. The link is in the description, so if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and do that. Now, let's get down to the video. All I ask in return is a like and subscribe. Let's go. So starting with the first weight loss shake, it's a green filling smoothie, and it's absolutely delicious. Check it out. First, we're gonna put 125 milliliters of skim milk, which has 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, and 6 grams of carbs. Then we're gonna put 75 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, which has 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, and 6 grams of carbs. We're gonna go ahead and add 60 grams of baby spinach here, and obviously this makes a big difference. I never knew adding baby spinach in a smoothie makes it so tasty and delicious. And hey, it's good for you. It's spinach. The total calories of 60 grams of baby spinach is 16 calories, 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. And the last thing we want to put here is 1 banana, which has 100 calories, 1 gram of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. Now, if you guys notice on the blender bottle, it says 400 millimeters max. You shouldn't go over that. Well, that's cap, and I'll tell you guys why. That 400 millimeters is only for frozen fruits. So if you have frozen fruits, don't go over 400 millimeters. But if you don't, man, just pile up to the end like how I did here, man. So don't be afraid and go for it. Now we're gonna blend it, but are you ready? Because this is gonna sound pretty darn loud. Here we go. Ah, the sound of that blender. It can literally blend anything, like legit. It can anything you put in there is gonna blend. Absolutely powerful. At the end, once it's nice and blended, look how green that looks, by the way. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna take off the blender blade and then put on the cap, and to go. That's it. Take it to work, take it to your gym, whatever. Done. Easy. Lemon squeezy. See how easy that was? Total calories of this green smoothie filling is 196 calories, with the total macros being 11 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fiber. You guys should be full for about 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie, this shake keeps you full for quite a long time. Now, moving on to the second weight loss shake, and this is going to be a simple purple shake. First, we're gonna put 250 millimeters of skim milk in the bottle, which has 80 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 12 grams of carbs. We're gonna be adding ice in there, a handful of ice, or maybe half a cup of ice. Here's a little tip for you guys. If you guys want to stay full longer, add ice in it. For some reason, cold drinks keeps you full longer, and that's because your body needs to create more energy to break it down, hence keeping you full longer. So that is a little hack that I guess you guys can use. Put some ice. Then we're gonna put 200 grams of blueberries, 120 calories, 1 gram of protein, 29 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of fiber. And lastly, we're gonna put 20 grams of oats in there, which has 73 calories, 3 grams of protein, 13 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. Once all the ingredients are in, we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Man, just listen to that blender. It's absolutely satisfying. The total calories of this smoothie or shake is 273, with total macros being 12 grams of protein, 54 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 7 grams of fiber. Again, you should be full for 2 hours. It's quite darn filling, although I would add more blueberries into it to make it more blueberry taste. But that's just my thought. At the end, that's how it looks like. Grab and go and enjoy your workout or take it to your office, whatever. Easy. Very easy. And the last shake or smoothie we're gonna make here is called a banana smoothie. One of my favorites, and I have it on the regular, but obviously at a much higher volume. But check it out, this is how you make it. First, we're gonna pour 250 millimeters of almond milk in the blender. Now, I know it looks white, it's actually milk. I ran out of almond milk. So yeah, use almond milk. 250 millimeters of almond milk has 52 calories, 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber. Then I'm gonna add a whole banana in there, which has 1 gram of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber, total of 100 calories. We're also gonna add 75 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, which has 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, and 6 grams of carbs. And the last ingredient here is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 100 calories, 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 8 grams of healthy fats. Peanut butter is packed with healthy essential fatty acids, so it's good for you, and 1 gram of fiber. We're gonna go ahead and blend it, and here we go. Just so satisfying. I mean, can't get tired of that. The total calories of this shake is 292, and the total macros you get here is 11 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fats, and 5 grams of fiber. Again, you should be full for 2 hours, maybe a little bit longer, but it keeps you full for quite a long time. And at the end, you can just put the bottle cap on it and take it to work, to gym, whatever it is. Simple, easy, no mess, and no cleanup. And there you guys have it, 3 awesome weight loss shakes to go wherever you guys need to go, whether it's the gym, the office, yoga class, I don't know, your son's football, wherever it is you guys need to go, it can go with you. But go ahead guys, try these easy to make to go weight loss shakes, and then comment down below, come back to this video, comment down below on what you guys think. And if you guys are interested in this Coachinera blender, don't forget the discount code of 15%, Nature Boy. Link is in the description. But all in all guys, if you're looking for a 300 calorie meal ideas, well, check out these videos, man. These 2 videos, they're fantastic ideas, packed with protein, high in fiber, and keeps you full for a very long time. And these are absolutely delicious. So check it out, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.